That's what I was thinking. Fire hat, you know, yeah, iPad, but yeah.
Okay, show us the earrings.
Don't do it.
This is crazy. Son of a bitch, I almost did it too. Okay.
You got nothing to prove.
Yeah, I do. Gotta prove my manhood.
He's afraid he'll regret it in the morning.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Yeah. Son of a Holy fuck. The Kraken's coming. The Kraken's coming.
Light on him.
My earrings. About lost them. Fuck. It's actually not that cold. Okay, I'm lying to you. It's really cold. As long as I don't think about what might be behind me, I'm alright. Or below me. Don't put the spotlight in the water.
I wanted you to be able to see the ladder.
Yeah, can't really see much on the video. Oh, there we go. Yeah, spotlight. Okay. Oh, I feel the water shaking.
I'm out.
Okay.
Watch out, don't touch that.
Son of a bitch, that's hot. Fuck, that is so hot.
I know.
Felt like I got stabbed by something.